Hello everyone. So today we have one important question on probability. So the question is, find the probability of 53 Sunday in a leap year. So the word is leap year. Leap year means total 366 days. In normal year 365 days, in leap year 366 days. Now you need to find probability of 53rd Sunday. So in a year, in a week, there are 7 days. If we will divide these 366 days from this 366, so this 7 5 ja 35 and remaining this 1, then we will write this 6 and 7 2 ja 14. Now remaining 2 days, so 2 days remaining days, so 52 weeks complete and 2 days remaining. So now these 2 days may be Saturday, Sunday, or this may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, and Friday, Saturday. So these are the possibilities for 53rd day. So total possibilities, we can say this as total outcomes. So these are total outcomes. And how many total outcomes? So these total outcomes are 7. Now in this we are talking about Sundays. So for Sunday only 2 outcomes. This may be Saturday, Sunday, or this may be Sunday, Monday. So out of 7 outcomes we have 2 favorable outcomes in which we have Sunday. So 1, 2, 2 favorable outcomes. So required probability as per formula of probability. Formula of probability is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So for 53 Sundays, 2 favorable outcomes and total possibility of days Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday and so on. So these are 7. So probability of 53th Sunday is 2 upon 7. Now in same way the question may be based on Saturday, this may be based on Monday, Tuesday or any other day. So for all types of situation, all types of days, you will find same thing, right? So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day.